Since 2004, we've always done a week of snow and ice training ahead of any events or anything. The main thing we try to do is train our drivers, get them back into the habit of driving their routes, because everyone's assigned a different route during a snow and ice event, and they stay on that route for the whole time. The other part of this is to make sure our equipment is tuned up and ready to go. So we load all of our spreaders, all of our plows onto the trucks. That gives them the experience of loading it, because this year it seems like we have a lot of new employees. We've had a little bit of a turnover, so it's good experience for them to see the mechanics of loading the trucks. And then Friday we'll unload everything, so they'll see exactly how to load, how to unload, and how to drive their routes. We've got a route over on an old neighborhood that we're practicing. We're letting the new drivers practice driving, and it's different with snow, but this is the best experience that we can give them at this time. The purpose of doing this is so that we're ready. We want to make sure the citizens and residents have the best snow and ice coverage that we can give them, get the roads cleared as quick as possible. We're going to do a big brine program this year, so that we will pre-treat a lot of most of the bridges and some of the roadways. We've got the Boulevard now and Northwest Expressway, so those are large thoroughfares that we have to really give high attention to.